In the palm of your hand lie tiny promises of beauty, forget-me-not seeds, a symbol of remembrance, a tribute to a life well lived. Ready to bloom, they carry a message of resilience, of enduring love. You may be wondering what to do with these tiny seeds. Here is our simple guide on how to sow forget-me-nots. When to sow. Sow forget-me-not seeds directly outdoors in spring to late summer or indoors at any other time, and then plant out in the spring. Step 1. Find a sunny spot or container in your garden. Or alternatively, if sowing indoors, pots or seed trays filled with good quality soil. Step 2. Sprinkle the seeds on the soil surface. They're small, but mighty. Each one has the potential to grow into a beautiful forget-me-not. Step 3. Don't bury them. Instead, press them gently into the soil. They need light to germinate. If you are sowing indoors, use a heated propagator or a place on a warm windowsill to create the right conditions for germination. These little seeds crave light and warmth. Step 4. Maintain a consistent moisture. Like memories, they need to be nurtured. And finally, step 5. Patience. In 4 to 5 weeks, you'll see the first signs of growth. A tiny green shoot pushing through the soil, a symbol of life continuing, a beautiful tribute in bloom. Forget-me-nots will self-seed easily. Either allow them to spread naturally or lift new seedlings and replant where you choose. As the seasons pass and forget-me-nots flower, simply remember. Each bloom is a testament to a life you cherished. Planting these seeds is more than gardening, it's a celebration of love, of memory, of life.